Mexican and David got in a fight.
Did they?
Yes.
The Mexican whooped David's ass.
David whipped his helmet. Hey, come on, David. Come on, David. That's all he does. Everybody else calls him David, the Mexican. David. David. Screaming at him when it's 5-on-1. David. I think Mexican would whoop David's ass. David, you broke my chicken's side. My motherfucking dog was on the side. I'm ready to go grab yeah, I think they should be able to make money in one.
I can feel shit cracking.